Hello, little friends. Welcome to Kiddu. Today, we are going to learn farm animals. Are you ready? Let's go to the farm. Let's learn. Look, it's a cow. Can you say cow? Cow. A cow says moo, moo. Can you say moo? Great job. The cow is big. The cow is black and white. Cow, moo. Look, it's a pig. Can you say pig? Pig. A pig says oink, oink. Can you say oink? Wonderful. The pig is pink. Pink pig. Oink, oink. Who is this? It's a duck. Can you say duck? Duck. A duck says quack, quack. Can you say quack? Amazing. The duck is yellow. Little yellow duck. Quack, quack. Now look, it's a horse. Can you say horse? Horse. A horse says neigh, neigh. Can you say neigh? So good. The horse can run fast. Run, horse, run. Who is this? It's a chicken. Can you say chicken? Chicken. A chicken says cluck, cluck. Can you say cluck? Good job. The chicken is small. Cluck, cluck, chicken. Let's play a game. What animal says moo? Yes, the cow. What animal says oink? Yes, the pig. What animal says quack? Yes, the duck. What animal says neigh? Yes, the horse. What animal says cluck? Yes, the chicken. You did an amazing job.